ICO Marks is such a great, you can say, authenticated platform in which they are going to tell us every day regarding the new ICOs and IEOs. And okay, by that way, we basically discover one thing, that which ICO is better for us for the investment. At this time today, we are going to talk about Ethereum Fire Insurance. Right now, Ethereum Fire Insurance platform already got 3.2 ranking on ICO Marks. Here you can see. At this time, what is the total supply? The total supply, here you can see the Ethereum Fire Insurance total supply and how much supply. Regarding 50% of the supply they are going to sell in public sale. Today is the first day of their ICO, basically is going to start the 1st April and it will end on 30 June 2020. And the basic currencies they are accepting at this time is only and only Ethereum and BTC, and one Ethereum Fire Insurance prices only and only $0.23 in their ICO. Here you also can see all the social links of their main platform. And especially for the freebies, don't go anywhere, because they are at this time they are basically giving an airdrop which is best for you. So before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. And if you are listening my voice first time, kindly do follow me on all the social media. There are every day basically share number of things with you. Basically those things are entirely best for you for the trading and also for the investments. Right now, I'm going to show you what is Ethereum Fire Insurance all about. Here you can see a platform of cryptocurrency insurance for risk cover. It means right now, or you can say in the last, you can say the 1.5 year, you can see only one thing, that every day number of new cryptocurrencies come into the market, and even they basically completed their ICOs and IEOs, but they're unable to achieve the good goals in the market. So there you can see Ethereum Fire Insurance is there for you, which is going to cover your each and every loss. So that is the plus point of this main platform. So next question is this, that here you can see the insurance plans of this the main platform Ethereum Fire Insurance, the risk cover plan, health cover plan. Here you can see claims in the digital age, insurance beyond digital, insurance 2030, the impact of AI on the future of insurance. Right now their ICO is basically, you can say, ongoing, and as I told you that they already got about 3.2 ranking from the ICO Marks, and also they got the huge ranking on ICO Holder, and right now their ICO is live at this time. In the ICO, basically one Ethereum Fire Insurance price is $0.23, and here you have the chance to buy this token at very low price. Here what you have to do, you just have to click on this one, the main link, buy tokens, but before that you have to see their the roadmap of the price prediction. Here in 2020, the main price which they are offering to sell the tokens is $0.23, but at the end of 2020 you can see this token at $0.5. In 2021 you can see this token at the price of $1, then $2, and in maximum you can say 2024 you can see this token at $5. So that is the good price prediction through Ethereum Fire Insurance. And here you can see, you just have to click on the buy tokens option, and here you can see the main thing of the platform where you can basically buy this token very easily. It is entirely easy for you to buy this token. How you can purchase this token, that is the current point, because the thing is this, at this time you have the chance to buy this token at very low price. Here you can see the contract address of this platform, the token which are basically going to lock for 5 years. So here you can see also about the development in which basically they are going to do. So the best and the key factor of this main platform is this, that very soon you are able to save your Ethereum Fire Insurance in your mobile app. That is the best thing, because any token or any coin which basically offered their own mobile apps, that that coins are entirely easy for you to save in your pocket. And here you can see all the social media of this platform where you can go and basically ask multiple questions from them. Now I'm going to share the main thing of the airdrop, how you can join the airdrop. Airdrop is entirely good for you, so you must have to join this airdrop. How you can join this how you can basically join this one. You just have to complete your full name, email address, your country, then your Telegram, Twitter username. Then you have to follow them on their both the Facebook page, and also you have to share their post. Then you have to put your basically Facebook profile link. Then you have to the retweet their main tweet, and then you have to put the link and then your MyEther wallet address and submit this airdrop. That is the great thing for you. That how you can basically buy the tokens in their ICO. That is also another thing. At this time, number of people are trying to buy, so that is the issue basically coming out. So the thing is this, you can just wait for some time and then you can directly buy basically tokens from their ICO just by clicking on this link, ICO buy token, and then you can go over there and you can just have to put your MyEther wallet address in which you want to take your Ethereum Fire Insurance tokens, and minimum purchase is $50. You just have to send them Ethereum or BTC. The address is basically written over there. You just have to send your BTC and Ethereum. Then you have to send them the transaction link, and also you have to send them the screenshot. Then they are going to send you Ethereum Fire Insurance in your personal MyEther wallet. Here you can also see the white paper of Ethereum Fire Insurance where they basically told each and everything regarding the listing and even the price predictions of Ethereum Fire Insurance. So I hope you like this project, and you must have to join the airdrop. I will share all the links in the description, so you must you have to go over there. You have to join the airdrop, and also you have to buy this token in their ICO. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.